How to cancel your Canva subscription. Welcome back to another Canva tutorial video, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to cancel your Canva subscription easily and quickly. If you're no longer using Canva Pro or just want to stop the subscription before it renews, this guide is for you. So make sure to stick around till the end. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open up Canva and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see several options. Click on the one that says Billing and Plans, or simply Billing, depending on the version you're using. In the Billing section, you'll see your current plan details. If you're currently subscribed to Canva Pro or Canva for Teams, your active subscription will be listed there. Next to your plan details, you'll notice a button that says More Actions or Manage Plan. Click on that. Now, a few options will appear. Choose the option that says Cancel Subscription or Request Cancellation. Canva may ask you a reason for cancellation. Go ahead and select an option or write a reason, and then confirm the cancellation. Once you do that, your subscription will be marked for cancellation, and you'll still have access to Pro features until the end of your current billing period. You'll also receive a confirmation email from Canva, just to make sure everything went through correctly. A quick tip: if you're using Canva on a mobile app and subscribe through Google Play or the App Store, you'll need to cancel it through your phone subscription settings, not from the Canva website. And that's it. Your Canva subscription is now canceled, and you won't be charged again. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials, just like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.